Quick update on Grimes and Elon.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently, Grimes has another child from Elon.
From Elon. He sent it over to her?
Yeah. With the Tesla. With Elon. But I guess they're not together. It just kind of sounds weird.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. They both have a new child. They're welcoming a new child. Even though they're not a pair, at least publicly. But obviously they get together from time to time if they're welcoming another child.
I do wonder what they're going to name this child.
I think they said that. I think they said it. Because
Really?
the first one was X, right? So I think this one is Y.
Really?
I feel like I saw this trending. Or maybe people were just making suggestions. Yeah. Grimes and billionaire Elon Musk has second child this past December, a baby girl named Exa Dark Sidereal Musk. Grimes said she wanted to keep most details of her daughter's life private, identifying her only as Y, but eventually revealed the full name to the writer. It's interesting. Her name is Exa Dark, but she refers to her second child as Y. I thought the first one was X, wasn't it?
Wasn't it A and E?
Well, I know
together?
it was a whole thing, but I think that they,
Was it just X?
Well, I think in order to have a reference that you could just say, yeah, it was X.
Right.
X.
Okay.
Grimes said her difficult pregnancy with her and Musk's first child, X, prompted the parents to have their second child via surrogate. Okay. I hemorrhaged, she said. It was scary. Last year, Musk told Time that the couple was semi-separated, but Grimes said the relationship remains in flux. I would probably refer to him as my boyfriend, but we're very fluid. We live in separate houses. We're best friends. We see each other all the time, she said. We just have our own thing going on, and I don't expect other people to understand it. She added that they want at least 3 or 4 children. Okay. So they're together. They're just together in a different way, it seems like. So even though they have some very unique names for these children, it seems like in order to reference them publicly, they will be referred to as X number 1, Y number 2, which interestingly enough are also models of Tesla cars.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess S is coming up.
Sure.
And 3 is coming up.
3. Well, there you go. Congrats.